Greetings. Today, we embark on a unique journey where meditation meets philosophy to enhance our critical thinking skills. Picture a serene meeting ground where the tranquility of meditation intertwines with the profound wisdom of philosophy. This fusion cultivates an environment for your mind to flourish, to become more analytical, more open, and more discerning. It's a journey of self-discovery and intellectual growth. Now ensure that you are in a quiet and comfortable space, free from distractions. Adopt a relaxed yet alert posture. Close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze. Observe your breath. Let's dive into the realm of tranquility, shall we? To start, be aware of your breath. Feel the cool air as it flows into your nostrils, filling your lungs and then gently leaving your body. There's no need to control or change your breathing. Just observe its natural rhythm. It's like watching the ebb and flow of waves on a shore. Each breath you take is a wave, unique in its own way, yet part of an endless, harmonious cycle. This is not just a breathing exercise, it's an invitation to be present, to be here and now. Your breath is a natural anchor, grounding you in this moment, helping you to let go of past worries and future anxieties. So allow yourself to become one with your breath, to be fully immersed in this present moment. With your mind centered, let's delve into the world of philosophy. Consider the concept of Socratic questioning. What does it mean to truly know something? Let this question sink in as you maintain your focus on the rhythm of your breath. Socratic questioning is about probing the depths of our understanding, questioning our assumptions, and seeking truth through inquiry. Engage with this idea in your mind. What are some beliefs you hold true? Have you ever questioned them? Now let's blend this philosophical exploration with mindfulness meditation. As you continue to breathe deeply, let the concept of Socratic questioning linger in your mind. When your thoughts begin to wander, gently guide them back to your breath or your chosen mantra. Let your mind dance between the realms of deep thought and serene mindfulness. Notice how your mind engages with these complex ideas. Are you finding new perspectives or challenging old beliefs? Remember, there's no right or wrong here. No judgment, just observation. Begin to emerge from the meditation, carrying with you the philosophical insights you've explored. Regularly engaging in meditation and philosophical inquiry can truly enhance your critical thinking skills. It's like adding fuel to the fire of your intellect, causing it to burn brighter and reveal more. Incorporate these practices into your daily life, and you'll find yourself becoming more analytical and open-minded. Thank you for joining this journey of the mind. Reflect, journal, and share your experiences. And remember, the mind, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimensions. If you enjoyed this journey of meditation and philosophy, and wish to continue exploring the depths of your mind, consider subscribing to our channel. Every subscription supports us in creating more content like this. To make sure you don't miss out on any new videos, hit the notification bell. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments section. What did you think of this video? What topics or techniques would you like us to cover next? Your feedback helps us shape our future content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay curious, stay mindful, and we'll see you in the next video.